In a quarter mile, merge onto I-285 South.
Come on, Kanye!
Welcome to Crafting with Cass. I'm Cass, and welcome back to Crafting with Cass if you're back and you're ready for another set of DIYs. So in today's project, I am going to be upgrading this plain duffel bag that I got, and I'm going to be upgrading it and adding some personalization to give it a little bit more style and customize it. So if you want to see how this duffel bag turns out, then let's go ahead and let's get right started. For this project, I'm going to be using this basic duffel bag that I got from Five Below and some iron-on letters and patches that I got from the craft store. First up, I'm going to be changing the background of the bag color from this solid color blue, and I'm adding some bleach in this empty spray bottle and a little bit of water. Then I'm just going to lightly spray the bag using the bleach and water mixture to kind of give it like a splatter tie-dye paint effect. And then I'm just going to flip it on the back and do the same to the other side. And then after the bag dries, then I'm just going to use my iron to iron on some letters. I'm going to be personalizing this with my daughter's name, and I'm going to use this as an overnight bag or a gym bag for her when she does different activities. And I try to use this little piece of transfer paper anytime I have to iron on the letters, just to kind of make sure I'm not scorching the print of the letters. I don't really think it makes a difference though. Sometimes I use it, and then after I realize it doesn't matter, then I just take it off and just directly put the iron on the letters so that they can adhere better. And I also got some chenille print patches to match the lettering. So I got some flowers, some hearts, some smiley faces, and some butterflies. And I'm just going to space those out and place those on the back, the front, and the sides of the bag. And this was so easy to do. Comment below and let me know if this is a DIY that you would try. Thanks for watching. Check the description box to shop some of my favorites, deals, and finds, and subscribe to see what I'm crafting next.